Hi everyone, welcome back to the fifth episode of our YouTube series, The Basics of Short-Term Insurance. I'm Isak from Glenwood Brokers, and today we're breaking down two very important insurance principles, indemnity and contribution. These are two concepts that keep insurance fair, both for you and the insurer. So let's dive in.
Indemnity simply means you're restored to the same financial position you were in before the loss. No better, no worse. Let's look at an example. Imagine your car is insured for 200,000 Rand and it gets in an accident. The repair cost is 50,000. Your insurer pays for that 50,000 to fix the car, not the full 200,000 and definitely not more. Why? Because indemnity isn't about profit. It's about making you whole again. Think of it like this: insurance is a safety net, not a jackpot. Now, let's talk about contribution. Contribution comes into play when you have more than one insurance policy covering the same risk. Example: let's say you accidentally insured your laptop both under your home contents policy and a business policy. Then, one day, the laptop is stolen. You submit the claim to both insurers. Here's the thing: you can't claim the full amount from both. The insurers will share the cost of the claim between them, each paying their fair portion. You still get your full payout, but the insurers split the cost so that everything stays fair. Both indemnity and contribution are there to keep the insurance system balanced. They ensure that you get what you lost, nothing more, nothing less. Insurers each pay their fair share when more than one policy covers the same item, and the entire system stays fair for everyone.
So next time you hear about indemnity or contribution, you'll know it's all about fairness and restoring balance. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who doesn't really know about insurance or how it works. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next episode.